Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton, they give special message to all Igbo people. No be only Eastern Security Network. Now Nigeria government go dey kill. They fit kill any Igbo man or woman wey dem see. This na the message of Comrade Newton wey bring come today. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Newton.
A quest for freedom is not one man business, it's everybody's business. It's supposed to be everybody's business. So a situation whereby we choose to not make it as a one man business, it sounds somehow. It shows that we don't really have the truth inside of us. So that's what it shows. So I want to be letting all know the reason why we must have to join hands together to fight for our liberation. Right now, to some of my Igbo brothers, what a lot of you are doing, it is very disgusting and dehydrating. What the difference between the Igbo people and indigenous people of Brafa, which is the IPOB? I don't think there's any difference there. IPOB, I guess they were set up, let's form a body so that we can agitate for our liberation. So no matter whosoever that might have formed it, you are not supposed to mind whosoever that formed it right now. What you have to do is to agitate for your freedom. Again, most people, even the Nigerian government, are killing today. They are not even the IPOB member or the ESN. They are killing you, the Igbo speaking person. It's just like, for example, now, when they do finally get up and say, okay, now I want to fight for our freedom, I will say I'm not going to join them to fight for freedom. I will join them because it's generally for liberation. I don't think, does IPOB have any state in Nigeria? Please, if you know the state of IPOB, that IPOB are from Inewi, put it there. These are people who choose to put themselves online and say, let's liberate our people so that our mothers can have access to farm. So that our brothers and sisters will no longer be raped in the farm. So you guys, keeping quiet as if the problem that is happening is between Nnamdi Kanu and federal government of Nigeria. I think the stupidity of some Igbo people, I think, is becoming too much. It's that time we start laying curse on you guys. You are even the one escalating this whole problem. You that are not speaking, you are the one escalating this whole problem. You are the one killing your people. Okay, now let's even assume the 5 states of the Igbo, according to what the federal government of Nigeria is saying. Let's assume every one of you get up one day and say you are tired. Let that 5 states, at least 2 inside, come out for 7 days. People will want, the one that is going to be preparing food, you guys will be preparing food. While you occupy either government house or a centralized place in Anambra, Imo, or whatever. My dear, you have been able to draw the attention of the world. The federal government of Nigeria have no option than to even give you 8 states if you want. But you cannot get your liberation like this. They are killing you gradually. A lot of you do not know that you are already at war. How many ESN do you think they have killed? Nigerian government, they will kill honorable person who is even denying I'm not ESN, I'm not nobody. They will target at ESN or IPOB. These are systems they are using to eradicate you. You don't know that you are going through war. But when are you going to realize your mistakes and embrace this thing for once? Every one of you, both the old women and old men, occupy the street. Occupy the street. The people has power more than the government. Without the people, there is no government. But I'm wondering, after all, it does not concern me. A lot of you will go to Abuja and go and collect money. After all, they are killing IPOB, they are not killing you. You are fooling yourself. And the whole thing is very dehydrating. You are not just doing yourself a favor for real. If you think you are doing yourself a favor, you are just wasting your time. Huh? You are wasting your time if you think you are doing yourself a favor. So whom are you people think you are fighting the freedom for? You are fighting it for your children, for your great-great-grandchildren. Okay, what about right now they take away your land? Do you think they are going to say, you the Igbo, that is not ESN, you are going to be liberated? Check, this guy they killed that live in Germany, that they killed in Igbo land the other day when they were flying. Did they ask him whether it was ESN? He was killed, he was killed. You are an Igbo man, you are an Igbo man. You are enemy to Buhari, you are enemy to Buhari. It is better all of you speak in one voice. Amos chapter 3 verse 3 says, can 2 work together except they agree? You cannot call yourself an Igbo man if every one of you pack in just only 1 million can give you this your freedom. Only 1 million of you can give you this your freedom. There would have been no need of even forming ESN. Una they cannot form ESN just because some of you, your stupidity was getting too much. After all, my father does not go to farm. After all, they are not killing in Benin. My square part business is in Benin. After all, they are not arrived Abuja. It's only Kano they are driving Igbo people. Why not cooperate together? And leave this your sentimental bullshit alone. There's no way you can get your freedom like this. Okay, right now, these things are affecting each and every one of us as a Nigerian. Even we that are here. Iyenitan that we used to buy before, how much? 5,000 Iyenitan before is now 30,000 Iyenitan now, if you know what I'm saying. For those of you that do order once in a while, you order food stuff from home. The situation in Nigeria is affecting everybody. Don't think that euros is high. What 100 euro can do before? Now 500 euro they do now. But we feel we are enjoying. For how long are we going to keep on betraying ourselves? We that are suffering, we that need the freedom, we are not ready to free ourselves. A lot of you right now, you are in Germany, you are in Sweden. Do you know before you were born what the Swedish, what they went through before they could have a better society? Do you think Europe just became like this? People splitted their blood for it. Now the ball is in your court. How many Nigerian army did they have? Come out in thousands. They no longer a matter between IPOB and Nigerian government. Let it be between indigenous people of Igbo land. Not even IPOB. Right? Forget IPOB. That name was given to identify you. That is the name you are going to use to achieve Biafra. No other way. As the Jesus Christ said that no one comes unto the Father except through me. You cannot get Biafra through any other means rather than the indigenous people of Biafra. Whether you join or you not join, you are an indigenous person. You know they bleed red, you know they bleed blue blood. Now red blood you they bleed. Then why are you fooling yourselves? Why not join hands together? What's the Yoruba people? Why are you not supporting Sunday Igboho? Come out in a mass. I know the advice I gave the other day. I saw a lot of rallies everywhere. You try to do rally. But for those of you at home, both the mothers and the fathers, come out once. The federal government of Nigeria have no strength if you unite together. Look at, go and read the book of Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6. God that you serve, Chineke, refer you and I to ants. The book of Proverbs 6 verse 6. He said, go to the city of ants, ye slogan, and consider their ways and be wise. Ants, they are very cooperative. They are very, very cooperative. You need to see them when they are moving a dead insect to their hole. Pick and line, and they take the carry on. Here you have to, it does not, why you say not concern you? Okay, if society is good tomorrow, is it going to be made for the IPOB? You are overstressing this man as if he fall from heaven. If I, as an Edo man, can key into who now this kind of ideology and say, okay, now, Igbo people, they have suffered enough. I've read your history. I know what you went through. Why not also go to the cemetery and say enough is enough? Forget sentiment. Did not a fight between Nigerian government and Boka. No, no. IPOB is not a secret code. Okay, you are also joining the Janjaweed Fulani to start tagging IPOB as a terrorist organization. Can Shakau, can he come to US? Why Azuna cannot be arrested even by the Janjaweed Britain or by America or by even the European Union? Because they know that he is not a terrorist. Then logically you are joining the federal government of Nigeria to call your own brother who want liberation for you a terrorist. The same character attitude some Israelites did. Moses saw and the Israelites, they were fighting themselves after he killed 2 Egyptians. Another day came out. He saw 2 Israelites, they were fighting. He was wanting to settle them and say, my brother, come. Chineke, una be brother. Can you call, why are you fighting? They rose alarm against Moses. That you are coming to come and kill us the way you killed 2 Egyptians the other day. It was even his own people that frightened Moses, that make Moses to run, that Pharaoh might have known about this. Why do we keep on allowing the word of God to reflect in our lives in a negative manner? Why not let correct things? What are you going to gain? I'm a typical Edo man from Orion. But I feel your pains. What you are going, in true cooperation, you can get all these things done. Segregation, you will not get it. This is how they are going to eradicate you. They kill 5 million of your fathers and your mother in 1967 through 1970. Yet your head never see correct. 5 million of you they kill. Now see now the kind of cost at that time. And the federal government of Nigeria, they are ready again to wipe all of you from the face of the earth. Do you think they are looking for Nnamdi Kanu? He's always standing on their way. Right now, they are still bombing in Olu. Feeling they are looking for ESN. They are looking for you. They are just using ESN to disguise. Earlier, the better for you to know. Every one of you, if we want you to naked, we will hear you. We help you promote the video. Naked and enter street. Both the old woman, both the old man, naked. If you can do it for good 7 days, if now only Olu, the old Igbo people liberated, but you guys wouldn't do it. Sleep there. Let people that will be cooking. When they call Nehemiah to come and build the gate of Jerusalem, some of them were bringing food, while some of them hold gun, or ammunition. Some of them were building. They were building with one hand, they hold ammunition with the other hand. On Sunday right now, you have come from church. You have come from church. After all, it does not concern you. Do you think everybody that is just dying now in Igbo land, that Opus Odima is killing, join the federal government of Nigeria to kill, all of them are IPOB? Whether you are IPOB, you are an Igbo man, you are an Igbo man. So Nigerian government, they are brainwashing you, saying that they are looking for ESN. They are looking for you. They are not looking for any ESN. Why are they not going to bush? Why are they allowing adopting people and carrying them to Abuja? Why you okay now? An Igbo woman will be raped. You, the young man, all of you are doing business. Why not cooperate together? If now Igbo people will even they be alone, I fall out. Say you need your freedom. You guys should be up to about 500,000 if I'm not making mistakes. Igbo people in Edo should be up to about 500,000. And they'll see Edo head, some way get good here, we go join. What do you think I'm agitating for you guys today? I have a place I'm living already. Yeah, already it's already becoming my ancestral land. No. But for how long are you going to keep on destroying yourself? I begin to imagine every day by day that this very particular verse of the Bible, as Genesis chapter 6 verse 6, it said God regretted why he make man. It was blackie. It was black. No, not be white men. He regretted. But when I begin to see division among blacks, you they suffer, me they suffer. A lot of you are sleeping right now, sleeping with you don't go drink for club. But yeah, I am trusting for you. My mama, they died long time ago. I can choose not to come Nigeria again the rest days of my life. I won't come. I have nothing to lose. I will not force myself. But it pains me that you are in this your generation. You are losing people again. Count how many people they have killed. All you know, they are not using system for you because there is no way they can tell the world. There is no way they can tell all the international community why they are killing you. That's why they first of all name ESN as a terrorist organization, so that when we are using Opus Odima and the rest of the people to start looking for them, we feel that we are looking for terrorists. The very day any Igbo man that is killed, none of you is a terrorist. You don't know. They just tag you like that to make sure they keep on exterminating you, but you feel you are living normal life. Gradually, that is all of you will die again. 5 million will also go. Then after 50 years, maybe another Nnamdi Kanu will also come and begin to agitate. Why are you allowing what happened many years ago to? The Bible said that affliction will not repeat itself the second time. If every one of you have cooperated, no single soul for Igbo person go die. No single soul go die. Mark the street. Okay, what about those of you that say you are not IPOB? Find a way you can also get your freedom, because every one of you must be killed. No matter how you try to do sabo or do psycho fancy here and there, they come for you. The blood of an Igbo man, if they smell for Buhari nose, the Fulani Jaja weed. The blood of an Igbo man irritates them. They don't want to even see you live. So they are trying to use Nnamdi Kanu to cover. Okay, is Nnamdi Kanu there? Before ESN were formed, are they not be killing you people? Was ESN there in 1967 where they kill 5 million people? But other European government right now cannot join them. Other Africa cannot join them. That's why it's difficult for them. That's why they are killing you every day by day. They'll see Opus Odima go kill some people today. That's how they are going to kill all of you. Before you know, if you calculate it, it will be up to 1 million. Must still be 5 million of you they will kill again before you get your freedom. Then we have a lot of Igbo billionaire, multi-billionaire. You guys are sensible. I call you people Chinese of Africa. Why not wake up from your slumber, some Igbo people? Why not wake up from your slumber and call spade a spade? This is your brother they are eradicating. They are repeating this thing again. The history repeating itself again. They don't want to just do it and say right now, you are already at war. Igbo people, the federal government of Nigeria is unleashing on you already. Why did they want to silence Nnamdi Kanu? Because they don't want nobody to speak for you. They don't want nobody to speak for you. That's why they are silencing that man. You feel it is problem. Okay, what will be Nnamdi Kanu problem? Can't he even deny Nigeria tomorrow? I don't know them. He don't have father, I don't have mother again. Okay, what was he fighting for? Okay, did he want to become a leader? Aren't you here sometime that he said he's not even interested in the leadership? He want to fight, if you don't, we drop it. Then the Igbo people will choose their leader by themselves. What would be more than that? Let's even assume he's also going to be a president. Is he going to be a president forever? He has made his name. To me, this is the most powerful man in Africa, whether you like it or not. At least, not because of Nnamdi Kanu, because of the people that are dying. They are killing your brothers. They are killing your sisters. Also to my Yoruba brothers, I want to appreciate people like Mayogu Daro have been in social media discolonizing the mind of the Yorubas. He's a man that is full of strength and eloquent in speaking. I love that very young man. I've not met him before. I think I'll begin to add him to my prayer right now. Him and Sunday Igboho is who I'm listening. Join momentum together. You can apply the same fundamental principles. Occupy the street. The world will listen. What the world want to hear. They don't want to hear you are killing yourself. They want to hear that you march up the street. Let both those who have native doctor or pastor march the street. It does not. They won't do anything. Be there. Let some people go and be bringing food for you. Esther, just 3 days. Now Esther take fast. 3 days. He called the Jews. It was 3 days. Esther rewrite his history. From a maid servant, he become a queen. He told the Jews, he said, do the same thing with me. I want to fast for 3 days, 3 good days, dry fasting. Esther rewrite the history. Today you are very happy when you give birth to a female child and call her Esther. If Igbo people do well today, people will start bearing, or Igbo will start giving that name to their children. If you are able to do well to the Igbo people, Igbo will start giving those names to their children. Why did that be a Newton? If Newton was a stupid man, will my father call me Newton? The name you give to your children today, if those people were useless, can they? Can you? Why did they call you Moses, a deliverer? Why are you happy giving your son David? Because David was are you ready today for your son to do that thing David did in the Bible, in the book of 1 Samuel 17 verse 50? That he killed Goliath. But we are not ready. We are not ready to make any name. Some blacks will get back tomorrow and call him Obama. Why? Because he ruled the world. People will get back tomorrow and call him Kanu. Look at people started giving their children one time Messi, a footballer. People are giving their children Cristiano Ronaldo. Yes, people bear the name. How many people have you ever feel that bear Pharaoh? My brother, represent yourself well. Remove sentiment, remove hate. Don't hate yourself. Hebrew 13 verse 1, it says, let brotherly love continue. How will brotherly love continue in this mess? Okay, even the 5 states. Okay, you guys are not seeing anything wrong with what the government is doing to you in marginalization right from the womb. It is your own state. You are not doing it for me. Don't let think it that you are doing it for people. Fight for your own freedom. This Europe you have, people fight for it. Look at your brothers abroad. Most of them, they do broker. Look at Samuel Ekman. That guy is trying. What are the rest of you doing? You have money. Occupy the streets of Nigeria. Occupy the streets. They can't do anything. Only Igbo people is the one that are going to give them celebration. Don't be waiting for any UN. The UN is contaminated. The European Union you are calling upon, those ones, they get their own. The problem we have today in Europe, the one we have in Europe is bigger than 100% of the one in Africa. Do you know what's about to be for them? When people will start asking questions, what do you put for inside my body, what are they going to say? All of them, they are like, they sit down on the tummy bomb. But a lot of people don't know this. They are in a very big mess. The whole world is in a very big, nobody listen to you now. Occupy the street. Let all those mama come out. They should stop killing your children. Go to governor's house in a million. Go to go and occupy. You can drive, you can dethrone today that it doesn't need to put Zodima again. How many want fiki? Make una come at the same time. They go crack ground, nobody go one shoot. But this one say, IPOP come out today. IMPOP come out today. Z-pop come out today. U-pop come out tomorrow. Let all Igbos come out. Demand for your freedom. In a mass, it will be given to you in a hurry. You don't even need to start shooting gun or using money to buy ammunition. Demand for freedom. That's the best way to get it. That's why when you say revolution does not mean you have to kill yourself. Occupy the street. People will start cooking food and be given to you. This one is not answers. You need your freedom. Then we will be watching. We'll be helping you to start broadcasting it. And nobody will die, I assure you that. But if Ray Aboki can come to Nigeria and crusade every one of you, let it be now, say one white man, maybe Ray Aboki was still alive, he never died. He's coming to Imo State to come and do convention. Would all of you come out? Because you are looking for a miracle. Mobilize yourself and come out. All about those Sabo, mobilize yourself. And stop insulting Nnamdi Kanu is not doing it well. This is a message that God have told me to tell you guys. Your freedom is here. Your freedom is here. You have to go and take it. And the best way you can take it, occupy the streets of Nigeria in millions. Occupy the streets of Nigeria. Only Anambra can change the whole Nigeria. We want our freedom. Before you know, where Biafra fire was kept for so long, they'll come bring a relay. Then you are not giving them remediation. They are killing us again the way they did in 1967. Putin the other day now. Putin, I get Putin has. Putin, do you know Russia will be counted as one of the strongest nation in the world? I guess Russian, he love Apple. I guess he love the Igbo people. Because a lot of Igbo people are doing well also. They are doing well also. If you are talking about engineer today in various countries, now Igbo people you fair can't. Igbo people, they are really trying. But you cannot expect one idiot who doesn't even go to school, who they escort Malu, who can't they use you. I can't get it. You guys are intelligent. You are the Chinese of Africa. This is the land your father has sown to you. Go there and take it. No need to even fight. Drop your gun. Come out a peaceful protest. That's all. You can do it anywhere in the state. If you are called to come Imo, every one of you should move with the young Shagro or Ichinedi Chuku. Go to Imo and first of all drive up Uzodima from there. Without all of you coming together as one, you can never get this freedom. Nigeria is ready to sacrifice all their soldiers. You can't get it. They are ready to sacrifice all their soldiers. And they are ready to make sure every youth that will fight for Biafra tomorrow, they are ready to finish everybody. We are supposed to be having plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, up to plan Z. Have I spoken with you guys before like this? No. This is the first time. And it's not going to be the last time. I will disturb this evening. I have no option than to, okay, now I must drop this message for my people. I know out of this old nonsense, they must get sense inside. We are brothers. That's how I feel. I feel you guys' pains. When I begin to check the countries that also joined the Janjaweed Nigerian to fight you guys, 5 million allegedly. Your fathers and your mother died. Not to talk about the slave trade that your forefather also sell you into slavery to America, into part of Europe and the rest. But when are we going to have rest as a black man? When? Then why we become too wicked to ourselves? This is your freedom. It is your ancestral land. You are not fighting for the Spanish people. If I thought they are going to come, they are going to come and bless your land. You that's in abroad today, if a new country right now is formed, you go there and work. You even be paid with dollars. Nigerians, they know that if they get Biafra their freedom, Nigeria is finished. Nigeria cannot survive with Biafra. They know. They know. They know. They know your contribution. But you are waiting for them to start killing you every day by day. One idiot who make law with cow is the one ruling you when we have Igbo people that are professors. My dear, there are other tribes that are ready to join you guys in this very marathon. It's something you must have to do. No need to even to start buying bullets. Bullets will not solve this. Come out from on the street. The world will see it. The world will see it. At the time you are on the streets for 7 days, the federal government of Nigeria have no option than Buhari. They go forge and come make an announcement, say yes. All this killing, at times, BBC on the announcement. The European Union, they don't even hear anything that is happening. They feel that if you send it through WhatsApp, BBC will not carry it. CNN will carry it. Have you ever seen anything that since Hope Uzodinma be killing that BBC carry on? They're not the carry. They're not the carry. Do something that will make BBC to carry it. Mobilize all your fathers, all your mother. Both if they do all of them are different. Who get Olokume bring and come on? Who get all those Ihua? They'll bring and come on. Where the others Peter Doche? All the celebrity in Igbo land. If you guys you want to get your freedom, you will get it. That is to say, Igbo people now they delay their freedom, not the federal government. When they put on for federal government head again. You don't need freedom. If you need it, look at the old actors that are Igbo today. People like Frivona Bania, where the Peace Square not be Igbo, to be that one also. They are Igbo now. All those the Peter Doche, Yule Noche, and the rest of them. With your followers, my dear, they go give you your freedom. That very day, they go sandpaper give you. But you people are sabot to yourself. You are brought problem to yourself. You fly to America. Maybe I'm going to come in again and start laying curse on you people. And my curse they reach well. Today now for advice. I'm going to be giving so many days of ultimatum. If no response, I'll start laying curse on you. And it must affect you. Your business fire go the burner. Anything you put on go the work again. Fight for your right. No need of even splitting innocent people's blood again. Those in Abuja, come back home. Those in Kano, occupy the street of Anambra, Inewi, Akwa Ibom, I don't know how to say, everywhere. Occupy it all. Occupy it all. That's the best way you can get this your freedom. That's the best way. They go kill any Igbo man for Olu. They will say na Apple. They go kill Igbo man. They will come for them and come and say na here said the key. That's the best way. If you want to kill a dog, you give that dog a bag name. That's what they are doing. The only method they can use to eradicate you is by saying, yes, IPOB is a terrorist. Who called them terrorists? Which international community call IPOB terrorists? And you, now an average Igbo man, you truly believe them. Today you are in the Vice Square, you are in Uwelu, you are in Aba. You are doing business. After all, it does not concern you. Now, so money they can't. My brother, they kill for Olu today too. Opposite them, that man is stupid to 4, my brother. Then what's the essence of you making money? Your people are dying every day by day. Let Edo stand up today. Let the very day Edo say what they are looking for. You will see our people take the craze. Now that day Edo go no say, yeah, they get someone like me. If you ain't not even quit up, I'll go to Lagos for you and head. I'll go to mention. I'll go sack out their name, come out for internet. The chairman or the vice chairman or the Lagos on them. Chairman of EU, as you say, you don't want to put for a dope way that they kiss. So how they Lagos something? They have no option. Say, I'm gonna go hold that guy. They crazy. You have to be mad to fight for freedom. I'm not gentle. I'm not gentle. The very day Edo put freedom down, say they want fight. Now that don't know. Mune say see they don't like for other people where they cook a mieki. Don't talk like say the day mama cook. Do you think me sconding my? I'm sconding my dog brother. Made them for wake up from their slumber. Make it set first. Then here you are. Tomorrow right now you want to go and carry drugs or go to party and boss anything. Okay, now the canon now you want free all of you. None of you are even ready. Where are these actors? Come out. A peaceful marching. March it. The safety is applicable to the Oduduwa nation. You cannot get it through bullet. You cannot get it through one-day protest. It will be a continual assessment. Be on the street. Let some people go and be buying food and be bringing. No soldier. Soldiers have no option than they will come and start guarding you people. Then the attention of these deep state media, they will come. You can't see CNN at that time, they will come Nigeria direct. Don't know what happen for Lekki. It's not going to be violent. Oe, 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 oe. Now don't they sing. Una carry band they play. Not be one day protest. A continuous something. The 7th day, something must happen. Joshua told them, say we are going to run the wall of Jericho. Nigeria today is your wall of Jericho. Until you come out in a march and march round and sing in your own dialect, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Why your ESA can still stay in the bush to see if there's going to be any attack that will retaliate also? You can't get it like this. They will keep on killing you. ESA cannot just go outside right now. Those ones that they hide, they go because they not be government. The government, they can come down with helicopter in Olu and kill as many people. Bring it, what do they call it? Bring it their Lexus Jeep or whatever. Bring it their Hiace, Toyota Hiace, and crepe every one of you and carry you to nowhere. Then later you start shouting. Still read the book of lamentation. It can't work like that. It is now. Your freedom is already there. Go and take it. Then you now know the formula you are going to use in taking it. Whether you are going to use a simultaneous equation, use an almighty formula, or algebraic equation. A word is enough for the wise. Attention. A word is enough for the wise. Nobody might have tell you guys the same thing is applicable to the Ododuwa. I think I'm seeing now that you guys is coming out on the July 3rd or so. I saw the poster just now. Mona no enter house. Mona dead there. Or thing they given on our nation. Make provision. Mona they change it at least. If it's too small, 1 million. Don't be hungry. If you know they go work 1 million, don't destroy anything. Just be in one particular place there. It will draw the attention of the world. It will draw the attention of the world. When blind Bartimaeus called Jesus, he called him first time, Jesus not here. He may tell him, say, shut up your mind, does not come for you. He shouted again, second time, Jesus not see here. They tell her they were suppressing it. It was Nigerian government that was suppressing Bartimaeus. Until he shouted again, Jesus, son of David, have mercy on me. Then he was able to draw the attention of Jesus. Jesus Christ said, what did you need? So that I need my sight. So if you come out, you call. They'll ask you now, okay, what did you need? We need Ododuwa Nation. What did you need? We need Biafra. Then maybe the middle better be the Middle East or the one that believe in emancipation. What did you need? We need your kingdom. Okay, now take whatever thing you want. Let divide this very country. That's all. So they are exterminating you guys gradually. You feel they are fighting IPOB. No, they are not fighting. They are fighting all Igbo people. They are not fighting IPOB. They are disgusting. Now let God reveal this one. They are fighting all Igbo people. They are not fighting IPOB. They are not fighting ESN. That's why they can catch you anywhere. If they catch you anywhere, they adopt you. Finish. Okay, the women where they see the king and they still be IPOB. Why they not see allowing you to go to farm today? Why has Opus or Dima not been able to say, okay, right now we have been able to call the IPOB? He have been saying we are inside the bush. Come and meet us inside the bush. Then you are harassing any person where they just see now say fresh, you get chest, you get level. They'll say now yes. Then you are folding your hands. OP say no cut. One day, then you must rest for you. They will cut you one day and they'll cut your head. So they come for every Igbo people. So the problem that's happening today is not only for the Igbo people alone. It's supposed to be a problem of everybody. But we become so foolish that we are counting that Igbo people they come for. After all, not be ESN and not join IPOB. You are using that one as an excuse for you not to fight your freedom. And that's what the Janjaweed Caliphate Nigeria have told you, that yes, we are coming for the IPOB. They are terrorists. Who told you they are terrorists? Who told you? Where book did you read it from? Where book did you read this from? Why the Fulani not terrorists? Why is your army not going after the Fulani? Must it be the poor Igbos that you kill me many years ago? I don't agree, you kill me now. You kill me many years ago, you are killing me again. Igbo people. You don't quick me call na Chinese of Africa. I would have said you guys are the foolish fulefu of Africa. Some of you are not be all, but I will still retain that name first. Something should be done about this thing. A peaceful rally should be done without destroying properties. You are tired of this very situation. You are tired of them killing your brothers. Forget about your state governors. We need more Nnamdi Kanu in Igbo land. All those opposition that is whether now Umafo they call them, why not so do join hands together, make a rally? That's how they will kill your generation again when you are reading lamentation. Then 50 years time you say 2020, 2001, and look at how they kill us. They are killing, and the people killing you, they sleep with cow. Very funny. The people killing you, they make love with cow. Where una stand? Where Igbo people pull leg? Fulani cannot pull leg there. Forget say that they make themselves minister for this and minister for that. Look, then get brain pass now. Person they kill now because of cow. They are killing your engineers, they are killing your wife, they are killing your father. Then you feel that there's nothing wrong about that. I don't want this video to be more than 40 minutes so that we can easily watch it. Please, my brothers and sisters, for any of you that know top Igbo's officials, send this very video to all of them. Out of all this nonsense, una must see sense inside. That's the best way. Mobilize, begin to advocate in social media why every one of you must come out on a very good day. If una the Kanu can call for, sit at home, everybody will obey. If you unanimously, after doing sensitization, I will also help with my own platform. I will help whatever thing I have to make sure we preach up this very good news all round. The reason why you guys must have to come out and march round so that every word of Jericho must fall. It will happen. So the lockdown, the sit at home that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did, all the whole state, both the government, they obeyed. Just take a look at it. If that day all of you march out, you will be outside. My dear, they will listen. That's the only way you can change your situations. Look at Esther. He called people in the book of Esther chapter 4. Read it. If you are there, read it chapter 4 verse 16. He called everybody. He called the Jews. He said, come, let us fast. Look at how did Joshua, how did they conquer, how was he able to conquer to enter into the promised land? He also called, let march around. This song that you are hearing, the word of Jericho fell down flat, not be joke, it happens. There is a war. Your land is there, but there is a war. You need to march around it. Before una they occupy 2 days, my dear, everything is solved. Even the 7 states will not get, they must give you everything. But the way they are doing right now, they are killing you one by one. Go and count how many people they have adopted. You think they are now ESN they come for? They come for you. ESN is always blocking their way. Una the kind of say, okay, everybody go inside the boat. Do you think they can cut ESN? They can't cut them. They'll kill any fine boy. Fine go. Okay, look at when they kill Ikoso. Gun go dead there. This way the bullet go dead different. Not because they take frame am up. It was framing. That's how they lie. Yeah? Nigerian government, nobody lie past them. Both their media or nobody lie past them. If you not even do oneself, the people representing Buhari in Asoro, they go wrong. Because Buhari cannot come and face the panel. He can't come. That's the only way una fit involved. They not be gone now. The only one that is involved then now, they will say, "Me Buhari come." Before you know, you will say, "Federal government, okay, Mona go carry on. Okay, referendum, let's come and do it." Otherwise, it will come. It will not come. Because most of your brothers, they are still ready to sell you out. Before you know, now we are not the keep ammunition. Now one of you now, they'll just give 10 million. You go show them we are not keep ammunition for bush. Many are still going to betray. Because now devil they enter some. Now Jesus Christ using and take Judas Iscariot. He never knew that Judas Iscariot is going to sell him out. But he said after devil enter into Judas, also called Iscariot, one of the 12. Now devil enter him. So devil can enter anybody tomorrow. That person will put ammunition under in care. You just go meet them. Do you think federal government of Nigeria they know they do muye? Do you think they know they do? Do you know how many cows they kill every day? Do you know how many human sacrifice they are using? To make sure you fight yourself, to make sure the Igbo people never cooperate. Go and read the book of Genesis, chapter 11. Read the book of Genesis, read it from verse 1, where they were building Tower Babel. It was God himself that came down from heaven to come and spoil their language. So there are still native daughters to do can do such a thing. He go say, go and bring 7 human heads. Let cause disunity among them. Go and bring 12 cows. Let bury it alive and cause disunity among them. Okay, why will it be every sensible Igbo man as soon as get brain rich? You yes, so they'll say so and so thing from Aba. Since they have been doing something from Aba, Spain never started to do electronics. Since you guys have been doing some certain things from Aba. If you people have the technology, Spain don't make something rich now. You guys are there fooling yourself. Allowing one cow to be killing you every day by day. Feeling you are punishing and they can. If cats are taking, no Igbo man will go to heaven apart from people, the ESN and the real people will be fighting. No Igbo man, no heaven for you. You are just faking it. Please, let's be ending it here. God bless each and every one of you in the mighty name of Jesus. Eternal King of Glory, I once again lift up your son, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, into your able care. That which you have committed into his hand to do, give him the grace to do it. For every good advice that will come to him, give him the knowledge to digest it in Jesus' name. Eternal King of Glory, I lift up Mayogu Dare into your able hand. I lift up Samuel Ekman into your able hand. I lift up Methuselah into your able hand. I lift up Sunday Igboho into your able hand. I lift as many, oh Lord, that is agitating for freedom of Ododuwa and freedom of Brafa. Eternal King of Glory, blessing we bless them. May they never lack wisdom. All these things they are doing, they will never do it in vain. Even I myself, Comrade Newton Igbinigun, the Bishop of Activism, that you are called into this field to advocate for your children, to speak for the voiceless and defend the defenseless. At the end of the day, O Lord, I will not be a castaway. As many, O Lord, that also share our videos, in blessing we bless them. As many, O Lord, who at times they felt soberly reflected, seeing the pains of the people. Just the same way Jesus Christ wept in the book of John chapter 11 verse 35. I said Jesus Christ wept. Why does he weep? Because of the pains of the people. As many, O Lord, who are weeping tonight of what is happening in Imo State, what Imo State governor is doing, how the leaders of the Igbo, they have betrayed their citizens. Bless and every one of them, O Lord, that have sympathy towards humanity. In Jesus' name. Amen. God bless you, Oguna. Ciao.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Newton. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.